Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Bogota. My name is Marta Isabel de Ramirez. I live in Bogota. I was born in Bogota. So that is the place where I live. I love Bogota. There are different places. Bogota, it's a big city, and there are different places in order to visit. I'm going to mention some of them. So, for example, during the weekends, on Sundays, there is Ciclovia. The Ciclovia is a weekly closure of some of the principal streets in Bogota. It's from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. There is another place that I love. It's Simon Bolivar Park. The Simon Bolivar Park is slightly larger than New York Central Park. There is another place that I love. That is the Botanic Garden, and there are different kind of places in order to visit there. They have greenhouses and those places where you can enjoy different kind of national flora and fauna. There are different places. So, for example, Monserrate, uh, as you can see, there is a marble at the Gold Museum. It's a beautiful place in order to visit and know about our ancestors. Here we have another excellent place that is Montserrat Sanctuary, in which you can enjoy and climb and discover a beautiful sightseeing. There is another aspect that I would like to talk about Bogota that I don't like so much. In my case, I don't like the traffic jam in which you can see Transmilenio. There are a lot of cars in our streets, but in general, I don't like so much of that part about Bogota. What I like Bogota, it's that we have different kind of possibilities for studying, for working, and for sharing with different kind of people. They are from different countries, different regions from Colombia. That is what I like about Bogota. I don't like so much the weather. It's a little bit cold for me and for my family. But in general, I like more about Bogota. This was a little bit information about Bogota. Thank you for watching this video.